All right, the cordless drill is a girl's best friend. So I'm going to show you how to get the bits in and out because you have to change bits all the time. So on them they have a little button, or there'll be like a little switch right here depending on what kind you have. So to take a bit out, you want it in reverse, which is lefty-loosey. You hold it right here where the torque end is and you squeeze. See, it loosens it up. And then to put the new bit in, we're going to use a drill bit. Put it back on tight. You hold on to it. See how it's getting smaller? And you hold the end right here, kind of get a little grip of it. And when it clicks, it's locked in. So easy peasy. I'm going to leave a link below. This is a Makita, which I have had for years and use it all the time. You can see it's pretty much worn out. But I mean, if you want a good heavy-duty drill, this is the girl's best friend, no doubt. All right, thanks for watching.